Discover the epitome of convenience and versatility with our exceptional selection of folding hand trucks. Engineered to provide optimal functionality, these masterpieces of design seamlessly combine compactness with robustness. Effortlessly tackle any heavy lifting task, from moving boxes to transporting furniture, with ease and efficiency. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding hand trucks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the mounted hand truck dolly, our number 5 pick on the list. Designed with industrial-grade strength, this versatile hand truck is your go-to solution for heavy lifting wherever you are. Whether it's at home, the office, the warehouse, or any demanding environment, this foldable hand truck won't let you down. It can handle an impressive 440 pounds. Not only is it strong, but it's also incredibly convenient. This dolly is foldable, collapsible, packable, and portable, allowing you to easily transport and store it anywhere you need. When folded, it measures a compact 41 by 23.5 by 3 inches deep, fitting perfectly in vehicles, closets, or storage rooms. Mounted care about your comfort too. This portable dolly features an ergonomic design suitable for both short and tall individuals. The telescoping handle extends 7 inches, ensuring the most comfortable pulling position. With foam-padded handles, you'll have a secure grip to tackle any task. The price is $199. Discover the Oyoest folding hand truck heavy duty, ranking at number 4 on our list. This versatile hand cart measures 24 by 15 by 4 inches when folded, making it easy to transport and store. Weighing approximately 18 pounds, it's a lightweight solution for your hauling needs. No need for pins or tools. With quick conversion capability, you can effortlessly switch between a 2-wheeled upright hand cart or a 4-wheeled platform truck. It's perfect for various settings such as warehouses, office moves, campsites, events, and catering. From luggage to groceries, paperwork to potted plants, this foldable dolly can handle it all. Durability is key, and this hand truck delivers. Constructed with sturdy metal and resin, it features 5-inch solid rubber flat-free tires for maximum stability and quiet operation. The 4-wheeled trolley has a remarkable capacity of 330 pounds, while the 2-wheeled cart can handle up to 165 pounds. Designed for comfort and functionality, this portable dolly boasts a thickened steel retractable handle that can be adjusted to your preference. All these incredible features are available at an affordable price of just $179. Presenting the Coocheer folding hand truck, our number 3 pick for all your heavy lifting needs. With a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, this durable and rugged dolly is crafted from a combination of sturdy aluminum alloy and plastic materials. Whether you're moving heavy boxes or lugging around luggage, let the Coocheer folding hand truck make your shopping experience and outings a breeze. Featuring impressive strength and durability, the 4-wheeled cart can handle up to 330 pounds, while the 2-wheeled version can hold up to 220 pounds. This portable hand truck is designed with 5-inch solid rubber flat-free tires for maximum stability and smooth, noise-free rolling. When it comes to convenience, the Coocheer folding hand truck excels. It folds down to a compact size of 25.03 by 18.03 by 4.6 inches, weighing approximately 18 pounds. Easily store and transport it in your car trunk, under a bed, in a closet, or in storage rooms and garages. All this fantastic functionality is available at an affordable price of $129. Introducing the Cosco heavy-duty folding dolly, our number 2 choice for effortless moving and lifting. This versatile dolly allows you to transport oversized items around your home or office with ease. Whether you need to move boxes or unload your car, the Cosco shifter hand truck has got you covered. Its multi-position design quickly converts from a 2-wheel upright hand truck to a 4-wheel cart, all without the need for pins or tools. With a durable steel frame and a weight capacity of 300 pounds in cart mode, it's built to handle heavy loads. When you're done, simply fold up this workhorse for easy transport and storage. The flat folding storage feature makes it a breeze to store away until your next task. Stack and transport large items effortlessly using the 4-wheel cart mode, eliminating any back strain or hassle. The shifter's transformation is quick and simple, requiring no tools or pins. Just pull the handle and it adapts to your needs. And when the job is complete, folding it flat is as easy as its setup. Don't miss out on the convenience and efficiency of the Costco heavy-duty folding dolly. Get yours today for just $71 and experience the difference it makes in your moving and lifting tasks. Presenting the Athlon Tools Hand Truck Foldable Hand Cart, our #1 choice for effortless transport support. This exceptional tool is perfect for all your shopping, household, and garden needs. Crafted with durability in mind, it features a robust aluminum frame, telescopic handle, and loading platform. With a maximum load capacity of 155 pounds and a mere net weight of 7 pounds, it offers both strength and lightness. The 15.4 by 11-inch loading area provides ample space. Its smooth-running wheels with ball bearings ensure easy maneuverability while leaving no marks. For added convenience, it folds and unfolds effortlessly within seconds, fitting snugly in trunks, sheds, or storage rooms. The extended telescopic handle, 45-inch, enables quick adjustments, and the wheels conveniently fold in and out with the loading platform. At just $49, it's an unbeatable value. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.